After pioneering the GPU in 1999, which redefined computer graphics, NVIDIA introduced the CUDA programming model in 2006, enabling parallel processing capabilities for a wide range of applications. Then, following investing billions in research and development, the company introduced more inventions that are essential to modern computing. In recent years, they have developed full software stacks such as NVIDIA Drive, Clara, and Omniverse, along with the arrival of NVIDIA AI Enterprise software. Further expansion has seen their data center scale accelerated computing platforms used by cloud service providers, consumer internet companies, enterprises, startups, and the financial services industry for various AI-enabled products and services. NVIDIA's computing solutions extend to a wide range of important applications, including molecular dynamics, simulations, and climate forecasting. They power over 75% of the supercomputers on the global top 500 list and support more than 4,400 applications. NVIDIA GPUs are popular among gamers for immersive virtual worlds and are increasingly used by artists, architects, and designers for creative work. The market for PC GPUs is expanding due to live streamers, broadcasters, artists, and creators. Additionally, generative AI is expected to broaden the user base for NVIDIA's computing solutions, especially for privacy, latency, and cost-sensitive AI applications. They offer data center scale offerings with compute and networking solutions for industries such as healthcare, telecom, automotive, and manufacturing. Their software stack includes CUDA programming model, domain-specific libraries, SDKs, and APIs, which accelerate performance and deployment of NVIDIA's computing for AI model training, inference, data analytics, scientific computing, and 3D graphics. The GPU's parallel processing capabilities are crucial for deep learning algorithms, enabling the development of AI applications in all kinds of industries. NVIDIA reports business results in two segments: compute and networking and graphics. The compute and networking segment includes data center accelerated computing platforms, AI solutions, networking, automotive platforms, and autonomous/electric vehicle solutions. The graphics segment covers GeForce GPUs for gaming and PCs, game streaming service, workstation graphics, cloud visual computing software, automotive infotainment systems, and Omniverse enterprise software for industrial AI applications. The company specializes in markets where their computing platforms can provide significant acceleration for applications. They focus on four large markets: data center, gaming, professional visualization, and automotive. Their data center platform is designed to accelerate the most compute-intensive workloads, such as AI, data analytics, graphics, and scientific computing, delivering better performance and power efficiency compared to conventional CPU-only approaches. The platform includes compute and networking offerings typically delivered to customers as systems, subsystems, or modules, along with software and services. NVIDIA offers a comprehensive suite of enterprise-grade AI software through licenses for NVIDIA AI Enterprise and vGPU software. They also offer the NVIDIA DGX Cloud, a fully managed AI training-as-a-service platform. NVIDIA's gaming platforms aim to enhance the gaming experience with smoother, higher-quality graphics, using their GPUs and sophisticated software. They developed NVIDIA RTX to bring next-generation graphics and AI to games through ray tracing technology and deep learning supersampling, DLSS. The company offers GeForce RTX and GeForce GTX GPUs for gaming desktops and laptops, as well as GeForce Now cloud gaming for playing PC games on underpowered devices. In 2025, they launched the NVIDIA Blackwell GeForce RTX 50 series family of desktop and laptop GPUs, which features neural graphics and an upgraded DLSS technology powered by a transformer model architecture, delivering up to a 2x leap in performance and visual realism for PC gamers, developers, and creatives. NVIDIA serves the professional visualization market by collaborating with ISVs to optimize their software for NVIDIA GPUs. Their GPU computing platform enhances productivity in various fields like design and manufacturing, digital content creation, and AI-based applications. The RTX platform enables real-time rendering of photorealistic objects and environments using ray tracing. Omniverse is a development platform for virtual world simulation applications, aiding enterprises in digitalizing complex physical assets, processes, and environments. NVIDIA offers complete end-to-end solutions for automated driving under their Drive Hyperion brand. They leverage AI technology and collaborate with various partners in the automotive industry, including automakers, suppliers, sensor manufacturers, and startups. Their unified AI computing architecture starts with training deep neural networks using data center solutions, followed by running a full perception, fusion, planning, and control stack within the vehicle on the Drive Hyperion platform. This includes high-performance, energy-efficient hardware, an in-vehicle operating system, a reference sensor set, and a modular software platform for autonomous driving services. NVIDIA also provides simulation solutions using Omniverse software to develop synthetic data for AI model training and testing self-driving platforms. Their approach enables continuous innovation and over-the-air updates to enhance vehicle capabilities. NVIDIA's main business strategies include advancing their accelerated computing platform to solve complex problems quickly with low power consumption, extending their technology and platform leadership in AI, offering end-to-end AI solutions through products like DGX Cloud and NVIDIA AI Enterprise, and reinforcing their AI technology leadership through partnerships, a large developer ecosystem, and educational initiatives. NVIDIA is expanding its technology and platform leadership in computer graphics with a focus on AI-infused computing. They aim to enhance the user experience in consumer entertainment and professional visualization applications, while creating new virtual world and simulation capabilities. Their technologies are driving advancements in gaming, design, and creative industries by offering optimized experiences through NVIDIA GeForce and RTX platforms. These platforms leverage AI end-to-end, ranging from developer tools and cloud services to tensor cores included in all RTX-class GPUs. Examples include the NVIDIA Avatar Cloud Engine for creating digital avatars with generative AI, GeForce Experience optimizing gamers' PC settings, Studio drivers enhancing creative applications, and Omniverse enabling real-time 3D design collaboration. Additionally, they offer cloud platforms like vGPU for enterprise and GeForce Now for gaming to enable interactive graphics applications on various devices. The AI-based hardware and software solution, under the Drive brand, is designed for autonomous vehicles and electric vehicles. This comprehensive approach tackles complex problems arising from the shift to autonomous driving by providing GPU-based hardware for training neural networks before in-vehicle deployment and resimulation of their operation prior to over-the-air software updates. The company leverages its intellectual property, accessible through license and development agreements, to enhance the reach of its technology, both directly into others' products or via custom development. Sales and marketing strategies involves a global sales and marketing team that works closely with customers and partners from different industries through their partner network. This network includes global, regional, and specialized CSPs, OEMs, ODMs, ISVs, system integrators, AIBs, distributors, automotive manufacturers, and Tier 1 automotive suppliers. NVIDIA's sales team has technical expertise and product knowledge, while application engineers and solution architects provide pre-sales assistance to the partner network for designing and optimizing systems using NVIDIA platforms. They also work with software developers to promote their platforms and support the development of AI frameworks, SDKs, and APIs optimized for their products. NVIDIA employs a contracting manufacturing strategy, partnering with key suppliers for all stages of the manufacturing process from wafer fabrication to packaging. They rely on industry-leading suppliers certified by ISO for quality control, reliability, and testing. This approach helps NVIDIA avoid significant costs and risks associated with owning and operating manufacturing operations, while focusing on product design, quality assurance, marketing, and customer support. The company's supply chain is primarily concentrated in the Asia-Pacific region, utilizing foundries like TSMC and Samsung for semiconductor wafers production, purchasing memory from SK Hynix, Micron Technology, and Samsung, and engaging independent subcontractors and contract manufacturers for final product assembly, testing, and packaging. To stay competitive in the market, it's important to consider performance, breadth of product offerings, access to customers and partners, distribution channels, software support, conformity to industry standard APIs, manufacturing capabilities, processor pricing, and total system costs. The company faces competition from GPU, CPU, DPU, and SoC providers like AMD, Intel, Huawei, and others. Additionally, large cloud services companies such as Amazon, Microsoft, and Google also pose a competitive threat with their internal hardware and software design capabilities. As the market becomes more competitive, NVIDIA states they will aim to anticipate customer demands and maintain consistent product quality at competitive prices. It's also crucial to take into account government regulations that affect NVIDIA's worldwide business activities. The company has faced challenges due to shifting export control restrictions impacting its ability to serve customers outside the United States, particularly in China and Russia. New licensing requirements have been announced by the U.S. government for exports of certain products exceeding performance thresholds to specific regions and countries. These restrictions could further harm NVIDIA's competitive position and future results if more changes occur in the export controls. The company also faces potential risks related to import and sale restrictions, supply chain impacts, and compliance with various laws, rules, and regulations that may increase costs and affect their business operations. So while NVIDIA has won the spotlight, it constantly needs to keep working to maintain its dominant position. For more on NVIDIA and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.